Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about this look. Happy Memorial Day! Y'all, what the? Okay y'all, so I decided to do a look inspired by Memorial Day. So I decided to do this look on the eyes and pair it with some blue and some red. You already know. So before we get into this look, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and comment down below. You already know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. Somebody's texting me. They need to hop up on my video. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Remember to bloom because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature. I'll see you guys in my next one. And have a wonderful Memorial Day.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, we're gonna hop right into the look. Hello. So I'm gonna start with my Sistar Cosmetics concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and we're just going to go in and cut our crease. And you want to make sure you pack that color in with the concealer brush so it's nice and pigmented. It grabs all of your pigment. Now I'm using my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and you just want to make sure you use that so that it does not crease when you're making your lines. So right now I'm using my brown Wet n Wild H2O waterproof eyeliner, and this is going to just give me guidelines for my Army Fatigue look, just so that I know where I want to place each color. So it doesn't have to be perfect, because if you just notice, Army Fatigue is like different shapes and sizes. It doesn't have to be like precise. So I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm using that green color, and I'm going to place that in random spaces on my eyelid. So after I am done with that green color, I'm going to start in with the color Proud, and that is that brown color, and I'm just going to add that in on my eyelid. And of course you're going to put it in random spots because the color is always random on Army Fatigue. It's not very precise, cohesive. Dance break. And now I'm going with the color Access, which is that mustard color, and I use this color just to brighten up the eye and brighten up the look a little bit, so everything wasn't just so dark. So you didn't see it, but I did go in with my BH Cosmetics Royale palette, and I used that really light color for the other pieces. And now I'm using my NYX Gold Glitter Liner. I went ahead and did the other eye, and we're going to hop right into foundation. This is my Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation in the color 13. We're going to put some setting spray on the brush and blend that right on in. You guys have seen me do this so many times before, so nothing new. Same baby, different dress. So I'm using my Same Baby Different Dress concealers from Sistar Cosmetics. And now I'm going in with my Black Radiance highlight powder, banana powder. And then I'm going to use my Beauty Bakerie brown powder on the places where I added my contour. And we're just going to go ahead and bake. And while we bake, I'm taking my Creamy Beige concealer from Sistar, and I'm going to do my under eye. We're going to do some under eye so it can make the look pop. Give it a little bit more color. Now I'm going in with my Nubian 2 palette. I'm using that blue color there, and I'm just going to add that underneath my eye. This is actually really pretty. So now I'm going to go in and dust off all of that powder. You want to make sure you dust off the powder nice and good, because you don't want any flashback if you were to take pictures. It's not cute, sis. You got to get all that excess powder off. Then you're going to go ahead and set your face. That's my Sistar Cosmetics setting spray. And this is my Black Radiance contour palette from medium to deep. Now I'm using my Alamar blush, and I'm using that dark rose color And of course, we're going to put this on the apples of our cheeks. And we always put blush on the tip of our nose. Now I'm going in with my Morphe highlighter in the color Mirage. Tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, cheekbones. That's highlight. Look at that, blinging. We're glistening out here. Glistening. Now we're going to do the Cupid's bow. The chin, of course. And the forehead, of course. This is what we always do. Now I'm going with my dose of colors. This is a red matte liquid lipstick, and I'm just putting that all over my lips. And I went ahead and did my lashes, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I changed my shirt, did my hair up, looking like a snigak. I love how this look came out. I love that Army Fatigue eye. I hope you enjoyed it too. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.